children. Very good morning, first class children. Are you all ready for the class? I hope everyone is ready, no? And they are eagerly waiting for the next exercise. And before we start any exercise, like any hard words or question answers, let me complete the lesson. Okay, we have to discuss one more topic. Okay, we have to discuss about the one more topic about the seedling. Okay, yesterday we had learned about what are the things we learned yesterday. Had you remember the points of yesterday? Had you remember? Yes, what we learned yesterday about the tree poem and the trees, what are the things they are giving to us, isn't it? Like food grains, pulses, cereals, right? And even coffee, tea, sugar cane and medicines. Okay, all those things you get from plants, isn't it? And you got to know that, yes, now we came to understand, teacher, that we will get all the things from plants. Okay, fine. Now one more thing you don't understand, how this baby plant will start, how the baby plant will start to grow, isn't it? You should know, you are all eagerly waiting, isn't it? How the baby plant will comes out of the soil. You should know it, isn't it? And before, one more thing you tell me, yesterday you learned about tea, coffee, medicines, all you have learned, okay? Those are the things you get from the plants. Very important thing, what did I say? What do you get from the plants? Fresh air. You get fresh air, isn't it? You get from plants, what do you get? Fresh air. Okay, children. Now, you tell me, today, what I want to start, whether about the plants or I have to start with the new words. No. Let me complete the lesson. Okay, this is the last topic we are going to discuss about it. About what? Not about the fruits or vegetables or tree, but we are going to see the seed. How the baby plants come out of the seed. Okay. Now already I had drawn the pictures on the board. I'll show you. I'll explain these things one by one. You should just listen the class. Don't draw anything. Don't write anything in the classwork. Just listen the class very carefully. Andaru manchiga vinandi. Oka ginja nunchi oka chinna baby plant ఇలా బయటికి వస్తుంది మట్టి నుంచి, దాని గురించి నేను చెప్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా? సో మీకు అందరికీ తెలియాలని ఉంది కదా, మీరందరూ యు ఆర్ ఆల్ ఈగర్లీ వెయిటింగ్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్, టు నో దట్ హౌ దట్ బేబీ ప్లాంట్ విల్ కమ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద సీడ్. ఓకే, నౌ లిసన్ హియర్. First one, teacher, I had drawn the first picture. I had drawn the seed here. This is the first picture. It is in the soil. Okay, నేను ఇక్కడ మట్టి లోపల ఏం పెట్టాను, ఒక చిన్న గింజ పెట్టాను. Take any seed. You can take any seed, coriander seed or okay, anything. Then you have so many seeds are the green gram. Okay, take any seed and just keep it in the soil. Okay, మట్టి లోపల పెట్టేసండి గింజని. Now ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది? Okay, now here sun. Okay, now what this seed needs? Water. What the seed needs? Water. Okay, then water, is it only water it needs? No, it needs sunlight, water and air. Okay, this seed, ఈ ఎయిర్ ఎక్కడ పోతుంది? మట్టి లోపలికి దిగుతుంది గాలి. అండ్ వాటర్, మీరు వాటర్ వేస్తారు కదా మట్టిలో, ఆ గింజ మీద కొద్దిగా మట్టి పైన ఏం చేస్తారు? వాటర్ తెలుస్తారు, అవునా? సో వెన్ యూ విల్ స్ప్లిట్ ద వాటర్, దట్ వాటర్ ఈస్ గెటింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద సాయిల్. And not only water, even the sunlight is getting into the soil. Air is also getting into the soil. But in the soil, what is there? Seed. Okay. ఇప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ ఇవి మూడు దీన్ని అందుకుంటుంది. సీడ్ ఇవన్నీ మూడు అందుకుంది. Okay. Now the seed was very happy. Why seed was so happy? Yes. Seed was why the seed was happy. You know that seed చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి? నాకు వాటర్ దొరుకుతుంది, మట్టి లోపల గాలి వస్తుంది, ఎండ దొరుకుతుంది. సపోజ్ ఇవి మూడు లేదనుకోండి, సన్లైట్ లేదు, వాటర్ లేదు అండ్ గాలి కూడా లేదు, అయితే చెట్టు పెరుగుతుందా? బేబీ ప్లాంట్ వస్తుందా బయటికి? నో, సీడ్ విల్ డై. మట్టి లోపల సీడ్ గింజ ఏమవుతుంది? అసలు ఆ ప్లాంటే బయటికి రాదు. ఓకే, సో మనం ఏం చేస్తామో, మీరు అందరూ ఒక ప్లాస్టిక్ గ్లాస్లో ఇంట్లో ఒక చిన్న యాక్టివిటీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అలాగా చేయండి. Try it yourself. Okay, take one plastic cup or any plastic that is any containers. Okay, ఏదో ఒక ప్లాస్టిక్ కంటైనర్ తీసుకోండి. ఇంత మట్టి, చేనిండా మట్టి వేసుకొని ఇది మట్టిలో ఆడుకోదు. డోంట్ ప్లే ఇన్ ద సాయిల్. జస్ట్ టేక్ సమ్ సాయిల్, pour it in the container or any plastic glass and you take any seed, coriander seeds, any seeds mama will give you. Okay, just keep it in the soil. daily you split the water and keep it out. You have to keep that glass out of the window where you will get the sunlight. Okay, sunlight ekkada dorugutundo akkada meer matti vesina danni ginja vesina glass ni bayata pettandi. After 3 days you can see the baby plant. You tappakunda andaru cheyandi. Please try, children. Okay, this is one small project for you. Try and see. Which project? Yes, how this baby plant is coming out of the soil. మీరు కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు ఇంట్లో చక్కగా. ఒక గ్లాస్, ప్లాస్టిక్ గ్లాస్ వేసుకొని గింజ మట్టి వేసి దాంట్లో గింజలన్నీ వేసి నీళ్ళు తెచ్చి సన్లైట్లో బయట పెట్టేయండి. ఇంట్లో పెట్టుకోవద్దు. ఇంట్లో పెడితే పెరుగుతుందా? నో. గింజకి ఏం కావాలి? సీడ్. వాట్ దిస్ సీడ్ నీడ్? సన్లైట్. సన్లైట్ ఈస్ వెరీ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ ద ప్లాంట్స్. ఓకే, బయట గాలి కూడా ఆ సీడ్ అందుకుంటుంది. మీరు అందరూ ఈ పని చేయండి. ఎక్కువ వాటర్ పోయొద్దు. మొత్తం ఒక గ్లాస్ నీళ్ళు వేస్తారా? నో. దానికి ఎంత ఉంది? ఇప్పుడు ఒక చిన్న గ్లాస్ ఉందంటే water, just you have to split the water. Don't pour the water with the glass. Okay, otherwise what happens? Seed will die. Don't pour much and more water. Do this project and try and tell me. Okay, second day what happened? First day I placed the seed. నేను ఏం చేశాను? ఫస్ట్ డే ఒక గింజ మట్టి లోపల పెట్టేశాను. ఓకే, బీన్స్ దో, కాకరకాయ గింజలో ఏదో ఒకటి నేను పెట్టేశాను దాంట్లో. సెకండ్ డే ఆఫ్టర్ 2-3 days తర్వాత ఏమైంది? మెల్లగా ఇక్కడ నుంచి చూడండి రూట్స్, ఒక బేబీ ప్లాంట్ సీడ్లింగ్ బయటికి వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఒక 3 days తర్వాత ఈ సీడ్ నుంచి ఏమొచ్చింది? బేబీ ప్లాంట్ రావడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఇస్ ఆఫ్టర్ 3 or 4 days. అగైన్ ఆఫ్టర్ 3 days తర్వాత ఏమైంది? స్లోలీ ఇక్కడ ఏంటి? రూట్స్ని కింద వదులుతుంది. రూట్స్ని కింద వదులుకొని మెల్లగా సీడ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? పైకి వచ్చి 2 leaves, చిన్న చిన్న బేబీ ప్లాంట్ బయటికి కనిపించండి. Now the second one is seed gets water, air in soil. Number 1. Number 2, baby plant comes out when a seed gets warm from the sun. Okay, అంటే కొద్దిగా వార్మ్ అయిందన్న. వార్మ్ ఎట్లా? చాలా వేడి కాదు, చాలా చల్లగా కాదు, కొద్దిగా వార్మ్ అయింది సీడ్. అందువల్ల ఏంటి? కొద్దిగా బేబీ ప్లాంట్ బయటికి రావడం స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ 3 or 4 days again you see this. The food stored in the seed is used for the seedling to grow. Okay, now the food stored in the seed is what happened? Is used for the seedling to grow. Now ఇక్కడ వేర్లన్నీ బయటికి వచ్చింది. మెల్లగా ఈ సీడ్ ఏంటి? బయటికి పైన వచ్చి పైన నుంచి ఏంటి? ఒక చిన్న ఆకు చూడొచ్చు మీరు, బేబీ ప్లాంట్ బయటికి రావడం. ఓకే, the next one after this fourth picture you can see green leaves come out of growing plant. Now here roots have started growing below the soil. And here look at the seed comes out on the top and then a seed split అయిపోయింది. సీడ్ గింజ ఏమైంది? ఇట్లా ఉన్న దిస్ ఇస్ ద సీడ్ కదా, ఇది సీడ్ కదా, ఇది రెండు భాగంలో అయిపోతుంది. ఇది పైన వచ్చిన తర్వాత 2 partsగా ఇట్లా అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఈ మధ్య నుంచి మీకు ప్లాంట్ లీవ్స్ వస్తుంది, బేబీ ప్లాంట్. See, look at here, the green leaves come out of the growing plant. The last picture, new plant called seedling is formed. Look at here, look at the seed shape చూసారా ఎట్లా మారిపోయింది? కింద మొత్తం రూట్స్, పైన ఏం ఆగిపోయింది? 2 leaves, ఇంకోటి ఒక బేబీ ప్లాంట్. అంటే this is the called baby plant. Now started growing. Okay, this is not a tree, this is a baby plant. So have you seen the first picture? Second one, third one is seedling. How the plant is, how the seed is used for the seedling to grow. And here green leaves come out of the growing plant. Green leaves ఏమైతుంది? ఇక్కడ బయటికి వస్తుంది, ప్లాంట్ బయటికి నుంచి వస్తుంది. Look at here, green leaves are coming out of the plant. Okay, and here the last picture is this is the new plant called seedling is formed. Okay, so ఈ గింజ ఏమైంది? రెండుగా ఇట్లా స్ప్లిట్ అయ్యి మధ్యలో నుంచి 2 ఆకు అవన్నీ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది, ప్లాంట్ పెరగడానికి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. So I think my children had understand about the how this baby plants gets grow. Okay, now the baby plant comes out of the soil and slowly day by day the plant started growing. Okay, so please children, first class children, you just do this project and try, Nana. Okay, at like I am not forcing you to do, but if you do know, you will understand. Okay, if now I had explained you about by showing the picture on the board, but practically if you do know, మీరు నిజంగా అది చేసి చూడండి అందరికీ, అప్పుడు మీకు అందరికీ ఆ బేబీ ప్లాంట్ చూసి ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, సో ఎవ్రీవన్ టేక్ ఏ ప్లాస్టిక్ గ్లాస్ amount of soil and just water. Sprinkle the water. Sprinkle the water in the glass, and then after what happens? Don't pour the water in the glass. Just sprinkle the water. Okay. If you sprinkle the water, what happens now there? Yes. That is enough for the seed. This is not a tree, no. Glass lo tree pettara kaadu kada seed pettara. Seed ki enta kavali water uttini itla water teliste chalu, sprinkle chese chalu. Okay, you have to sprinkle the water in the glass, then you can see the after 3-4 days you can see observe the baby plant. Okay children, first class children, can you able to follow me now? So yesterday, day before day, I had given the practice about the tree poem, isn't it? Then second day, yesterday I had explained about that what are the things we are getting from plants, okay, and in which way they are very helpful to us. Today we learned about the seed, okay, how the baby plants comes out of the soil. So I had explained about all the 3 topics. Now be ready with your science class notebook. Today I am going to give you the some few hard words. Okay, you write classwork one time and homework one time. Are you all ready with the classwork, children? So be ready and let me start the class. Don't draw this all the pictures. This is only for you make it to understand. I have drawn the pictures on the board. Okay, so that will be very easy for you to understand. Now get ready. Take out a classwork notebook and write the lesson name, Our Green Friends. Okay, lesson number 3, Our Green Friends. And highlight the date, today's date, all of you. Okay. Write the lesson name and write the heading, hard words. Okay. So without lines, today teacher is going to write. I think everyone will follow. They are going to write very neat handwriting. Okay. Now be ready for the hard words, children. Come on, write the spelling of vegetables. Spell the word of vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. Second one, number 2. Fruits. Number 2, fruits. Number 3, spinach. Number 3, spinach. Write neatly, all of you. This is the margin line. You should have to just maintain the margin line and write. Okay. Write very neat handwriting. Don't do any mistake, children. Now listen here. Come on, write now. Spell the word of fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Spell the word of maize. M-A-I-Z-E. Maize. Fifth one. Spell the word of radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. Sixth one. Get ready for the sixth one. Okay. Spell the word of coffee. C-O-F-F-E-E. Coffee. Okay. Seventh one. Sugarcane. S-U-G-A-R-C-A-N-E. Sugarcane. Okay. Then afterwards you draw a midline, children. Draw a midline. Eighth one now. What is that one? Eighth one. You have to write the spelling of sugar. It is very easy. I will go for next one is seed. Okay. Sunlight. Spell the word of sunlight. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T. Sunlight. Ninth one. Seedling. S-E-E-D. Seed. L-I-N-G. Seedling. 10th one. You have to write the name. Leaves. Okay. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. 11th one. Grow. G-R-O-W. Grow. 12th one. 12th one, which word we will write now? Very you feel so. Pepper. P-E-P-P-E-R, pepper. Okay, so this is enough for you. Okay children, sugar spelling. Okay, I will write here S-U-G-A-R, sugar. Enough children, you can write those words. Okay, now listen here children. Now listen here. Okay, let me start the hard words. I had drawn my margin line. Now look at the words. Spell the word of vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. Number 2. Spell the word of fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Number 3. Spell the word of spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Maize. M-A-I-Z-E. Maize. Radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. Coffee. C-O-F-F-E-E. Coffee. Sugarcane. S-U-G-A-R-C-A-N-E. Sugarcane. Like this you should have to spell the word and do the practice. But each word you should have to learn 3 times like that. Okay. Now next one. Sunlight. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T. Sunlight. Next one. Seedling. S-E-E-D. Seed. L-I-N-G. Seedling. Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. Grow. G-R-O-W. Grow. Pepper. P-E-P-P-E-R. Pepper. Sugar. S-U-G-A-R. Sugar. Okay. So pepper ante enti miryalu. Okay na, mummy chupe black color ga untadi, daniki emantaru pepper. Leaves, aakuki emanali ekkuva unte leaf ante okati aaku, leaves ante so many leaves. Okay, so chala aaku unte daniki leaves anali. Seedling. Sunlight. Grow, peragadamu. Okay, sugar ante panchadara. Okay, next one. Vegetables you know, fruits you know. Spinach ante palakura. Spinach ante enti palakura. Okay, maize. Radish ante mullangi. Coffee, coffee. Sugarcane, sugarcane is a what is it? Sugarcane, it is a plant. Okay, so it gives us what? Sugarcane gives us sugar. So first class children, is it clear today for you all? So had you understand about that, how the baby plant comes out from the soil? Okay, today how many hard words I gave? 13 hard words. So you write classwork one time and homework one time. Okay, this is a classwork. Now what is the homework? Homework one time. Learn and write. That is most important children. You have to learn. Keep on doing the practice of learning and then you write. Without learning, if you write, you can't have this practice. Okay. So please spell the word, keep on learning and writing. Okay. Do this practice as a homework only one time. A reading should be more than one time. 2 times or 3 times. Okay, first class children. I hope today this class is very clear for you all. So tomorrow let me start with the next exercise. Okay. Either it is a fill in the blanks or the other picture oriented exercise. Okay. So please take care children. Bye bye. Tomorrow we will see with the next exercise. Okay. Bye.